What is insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receive financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company poses clients risk to make payment more affordable for the insured. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial losses, both big and small, that may result from damage to insured on her property or from liability for damage or injury caused to third party. How insurance work? There is a multitude of different type of insurance policies available, and virtually any individual or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. The most common type of personal insurance policies are auto, health, homeowner, and life. Most individuals in the United States have at least one of these type of insurance, and car insurance is required by a law. Key Key takeaways: insurance is a contract policy in which an insurer indemnifies against losses from specific contingencies or perils. There are type of insurance policies: life, health, homeowner, and auto are the most common form of insurance. The core component that make up most insurance policies are deductible, policy limit, and premium. Business required special type of insurance policies that insure against specific type of risk faced by the particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant need a policy that cover damage or injury that occur a result of cooking with a deep fryer. An auto dealer is not subject to this type of risk but does require coverage for damage or injury that could occur during the test drive. There are also insurance policies available for specific needs such as kidnap and ransom, medical malpractice, and professional liability insurance, also known as error and omission insurance. Insurance policies components. When choosing a policy, it is important to understand how insurance works. A firm understanding of this concept goes too long away in helping you choose the policy that best suit your need. For instance, whole life insurance may or may not the right type of insurance for you. There are three components of any type of insurance: policy, premium, and limits and deductible. They are crucial. Premium. A policy's premium, its price, typically express a monthly cost. The premium is determined by the insurer based on your business risk profile, which may include credit worthiness. For example, if you own several expensive automobiles and have a history of reckless driving, you will likely pay more for an auto policy for some time with a single mid-range sedan and a perfect driving record. However, a different insurer may charge different premiums for a single similar policies. So finding a prices that is right for you requires some legwork. Policy limit. The policy limit is the maximum amount the insurer will pay under a policy for covered loss. Maximum may be seat per period, annual or policy terms, per loss or injury, or over the life of policy, also known as lifetime maximum. Typically, higher limit carry higher premium. For a general life insurance policy, the maximum amount that insurer will pay is refer to face value, which is the amount paid to beneficiary upon the death of insurance. Deductible. The deductible is a specific amount a policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer pay a claim. Deductibles serve as deterrent to large volume for of small and insignificant claim. Deductible can apply per policy per claim depending on the insurer and type of policy. Policies with a very high deductible type are typically less expensive because the high out pocket expenses generally result in few small claims. Special consideration with regard to health insurance, people who have chronic health issues or need regular medication attention should look for policies with lower deductible. Though the annual premium is higher than the comparable policy with a higher deductible, less expensive to medical care throughout the year may be worth the trade-off. Getting the best quote of homeowner insurance. However, insurance can provide peace of mind by helping to protect home and personal belongings if something expected happen. Of course, when you choose a policy, you may have it for a few years or even longer. So it's a good idea compare an option and find coverage you need at a price that fit your budget. To get you started, here are some tips of getting the best quotes of homeowner insurance. Key takeaways: homeowner insurance cover your home, personal belonging, and liabilities claim. The average homeowner insurance policy in the US costs about 1200 per year. You can get quote online by working directly with a home insurance agent. Plan on gaining at least three quotes to make sure you find the best policy for your budget. Which variable affect homeowner insurance quote? Homeowner insurance quote are specific to each applicant. There are no one size fit all price. Instead, insurance company look at a variety of persons and property related factors to determine rates, including the coverage limit, deductible you pick, the age, construction and condition of the home replacement cost, the home location. Rates are high in areas prone to natural disaster and how close it to fire station. Rates are typically lower if you close to a fire station. Local crime rate may be higher, increase some probable burglaries, the breed of dogs you have, if any, if you have a home-based business, if you recently remodeled or renovated the home, security features such as smoke detector and deadbolt lock, if the home has a wood burning stove, swimming or hot tub, your marital status, claim history, and credit history. As each insurance company take a different approach to weight this variable, quotes vary from one company that next, and even if the details about you and your home is the same. How to get owner insure a home owner insurance quote to make sure you get the best policy for your money. Compare at least. Com- Compare at least three quotes before making any decision for an apple to apple comparison. Be sure each quote is based on similar coverage, limit, deductible, and endorsement. When you're ready to shop, you have a few options for getting homeowners insurance quote. Request homeowner insurance cost online by a phone. Work with a competitive insurance agent. Work with an independent insurance agent or broker. Request a homeowner insurance quotes online by phone. Main insurance companies offer a free online quotes from. Depending on the company, you may have to speak with an agent over the phone to finish the quote to clarify anything you don't understand. To save time and effort, you can get multiple offer once using one of the home insurance comparison site. Insurify and Policy are those more reputable sites that advisable real-time accurate code. Work with a competitive insurance agent. A competitive insurance agent, one who represents single insurance company such as American Mutual, State Farm, or USAA. This agent can help you determine the coverage need and explain your policy option, but your choice are limited to what that have one company offer. If you don't like it or don't qualify for that company's product, the agent may not be able to provide any alternatives. Still, as competitive agents represent just one insurance company, they tend to now become political really well. Sometimes that all not dependent agent broker can claim. Work with independent insurance agent or broker. Independent insurance agent or broker is a smart choice if you want one home insurance option because independent agent and brokers work with multiple agent companies. They can represent a wide range of policies on which to choose. One thing keep in mind that independent agent and broker can't quote policy from companies that only use captive agents. So just because you work with an independent agent or a broker doesn't mean you will hear about all your options.